I'm not.
Doing good, guys.
See, we're turning around.
Okay, Nelly, that way. Okay, I'm taking a video. Okay, don't crash into the rocks.
Gina's applying the brake.
Yeah.
Right.
Here comes Patty and Kevin.
That's not.
Oh no, that's Gabby and Kevin. Good going, guys. There's a white obelisk over there where Captain Cook. When you go around the rocks, you'll see it.
Look for landmarks now.
Look for landmarks. Turn around and kind of look.
Turn around and look. No, just turn.
No,
your neck around.
don't. Your neck, not your canoe. Cool, hi. Okay, you guys are in unison. You guys look good. And you guys are fast. Good going, guys. And here's Wilson, my
You do a
motor in the
selfie.
back. And here's
You
me.
gotta extend out the arm.
Okay, I'm good. Okay, today is a beautiful, calm day, and we are headed out to Captain Cook's to go snorkeling. And there's Ian and Patty and Gabby and Kevin, and up ahead there, the adventures is Nellie and Jean. Signing off.